Hello, this is Deirdre Brown, your settlement agent in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia. And today we're going to talk about Maryland transactions where the seller is a non-resident. In the state of Maryland, if your seller is a non-resident, we as a title company are required to take additional tax withholdings and send it to the state of Maryland. If the seller is an individual, we are required to take 7.5% of the proceeds and send it to Maryland. If the seller is an entity, an LLC or corporation, we're required to take 8.25% of the proceeds and send it to the state of Maryland. There are some exceptions. Some of the bigger exceptions are if, for example, your entity has registered in the state of Maryland to do business more than 90 days before the sale, then we do not need to take that withholding. If you're an individual, there is a form you can fill out and send to the Office of Tax and Revenue. And some of the major exceptions on that form that you may be able to qualify for is maybe you're selling the property and you're not getting any proceeds back. There's zero, or you need to come to the table with money. Maryland will say then we don't need to take the withholding. Or maybe you lived in the property as your principal residence, you moved out recently, purchased another property, and now you're selling this one. And in that case, you would just need to show Maryland that you actually had lived in the property as your principal residence for 2 of the last 5 years. You actually paid personal top property taxes there using that address. Once you fill this exception form out and send it to the Office of Tax and Revenue, there's a space on there where you can write in your title company, and they will actually send us a certificate showing that we no longer are required to withhold the funds. One of the questions that comes up more recently or often is, what if there's 2 owners? One's a resident, one's a non-resident. So in that case, we only take the withholding on a percentage of the proceeds that the non-resident would have gotten. If you have more title-related questions, please feel free to reach out to me at closewithd.com. Thank you.